Goeiedag. Good day. Dit is juffrou Dinda hierso en vandag gaan ons fokus op lees. Today we're going to focus on reading. Now, the first time you're going to say it with me and the second time you can try it on your own. Okay, die eerste keer gaan ek dit saam jou sê, die tweede keer gaan jy op jou eie probeer. Goed, kom ons begin. My naam is Jan. Dit is my hond. Ma kook kos. Pa ry 'n kar. Die son is baie warm. Now, feel free to repeat the video as much times as you need until you are comfortable with the pronunciation. I hope you have a wonderful day. Jy moet 'n lekker dag hê. Baie dankie en totsiens.